Oliver.
Hi.
What are we doing today?
Making a toaster.
A toaster. Wait, turn around. Let me see the front. That's the back.
Nice.
Oh, okay.
With wheels.
Toaster with wheels. Well, there's no wheels on the bottom. It's supposed to be like a real life toaster. Does it move at all? How does it work? Oh, it pops up like real. Great. Cool. Let's get started.
Hang on, one more thing.
All right. So these are the Lego pieces that you will need. So if you need to pause to grab your bricks, then now is the perfect time to do that. All right, Oliver. Our first step is what? Let's go. What are we doing? We're taking the really tall ones and putting them in the center. Yeah. Those, the 4x1 right along the sides. Thank you very much.
Got them.
Got it. Good. And then we have our flat green pieces. One goes right up against right there. And then I'm going to hand you the red piece as well. The red piece is going to go in between. Perfect. And then the green one right in front of the red one. Awesome sauce. We have our 1x4s right along the side. Both sides. Thank you, my God. And then our round 4 piece. I don't know what to call it. On top of the red one. Right on top of red. Double stack it.
And then you can keep on going.
Yeah, and then we are going to take 2 of these ones with this little nub pointing outward. So we're going to put it like right back there. Okay?
Okay.
Yep, both sides. Thank you, my God.
Did it?
And next we have 6 of these. Oh boy.
Bad boys.
6 of these bad boys, 1 by 1, I do suppose. We're going to line the entire edge, I think, to 1 paper.
Yeah. That is true.
Hey, Rockstar.
Hey.
Somebody got bored, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, done? Oh, good. You're moving quick. Okay, and then we're taking our little studs and putting them right on the front there, pointing out. And then we are going to... Wait, we're going to scoot that aside. We're going to start with this yellow square. Okay, so we're going to start with that yellow one. We're going to put that green one in the middle, anywhere. It doesn't really matter. And then we do those ones right along the side. And then we have the red go along the back. Ooh, careful. That one's a little tricky. There you go. Snap, snap, pop. Hey, hey, Rockstar, drummer. I don't need you drumming right now, okay, thanks? No drumming.
Nice girl.
You're what?
I'm nice girl.
You're a nice girl. You're also a drummer with those little drumsticks. That's fine.
These are not them. These are toys.
They're toys. Yeah,
They're
they're
not
Lego.
Lego. They're
Yeah,
not
but they're
Lego.
toys. You're using them like drumsticks. That's okay. All right. So red next to red. Yeah. There we go. This gray one goes right there. Perfect. And then let's put our red one right across.
No,
Kind of brace it. There we go. And then that one there going, yep, next to it. Right next to it, yep. And then we drop it in carefully. Try and squish it down. Does it need to get squished down? No? Okay. It does not get squished. That's fine. And then, oh, that's cool. So that's the little lever part when we pop up our toast. That's why it looks like grills or grates, whatever you want to call it. There you go. Right on top.
We are almost finished. We are on step 12.
They don't need to know that we're looking at it.
Oh, never mind.
That's fine. Okay, so next we have these slightly smaller ones. They're going to go, the slopey bit's going to go inward. Yep, on the edge there. Uh-oh, oh, that was you, Rockstar.
Okay. Okay.
All right, and then now we have 4 of our 1x4s going around the edge.
But those are secret carrot.
I don't know either of those. It's around there somewhere.
Secret carrot.
Careful. Oh, yep.
It's okay.
Mm-hmm. It's fine. It's
What if I
okay.
hit one and then they just came?
It's tricky sometimes.
Yeah.
That's why we always have to make sure we like squish them down. Like, what's I say? Okay, so if we're looking at our Lego build, how there's a gap at the bottom between the light gray Lego brick and then the dark gray one. We want to squish the light gray one down. Yeah. You have to squish it. We have to make sure it's solid, built together. And then next, we are going to do our little buttons. You can pick one side and do the other. All right. Moving right along. Next, we have our 6x1. We need 2 of them. Go across the top and the back. Oh, careful.
It's okay. I still survive.
Groovy. And then,
See how high it can
yeah. Okay, so then now we have our 2x4.
Yeah.
2x4, yeah, sure. And it goes right across the top. This one.
I mean 1x4.
It's not one. Let me seriously.
2x4.
Thank you very much.
Amen.
All right. Our tall 1x. What is that one, Oliver?
6.
1x6. Right across the top.
Give me a sec.
Yeah, that's fine. And then we have our 2x2. Goes right in the middle. Make sure it's evenly split.
And make sure to subscribe to our channel
Yeah.
while you're waiting.
While
for
you're
it to be-
waiting. Yeah, go ahead and turn, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Turn it from what color to what color?
Gray to green.
Gray to
Red.
Actually, no, it goes red to gray.
Red to gray.
Turn it from red to gray. Thank you, my guy. Look at you. All right. Okay, so what's next? So, wait.
Oh, sorry.
Next, we're going to do that. We are going to put them across. Yes, right there. Boom.
No way.
Okay. And then we have like edge of our toaster. So these little guys hanging off the edge like that. This part goes up. Goes like that. Sorry, I said it was hanging off the edge. It's definitely not hanging off the edge because that would be an odd looking toaster.
Yeah. Like, I would say it looks off.
There we go. That looks way better. And now the flat piece goes in the middle.
I feel like I'm getting a hang of it.
You are. You're doing great.
Okay.
Oh.
Wait,
I don't know what this is for. We'll find out eventually. Connect them right at the top.
done.
Go. Squish. All right, and then we go ahead and flip it over. See the bottom. All right, so now we gotta do the little feet. So the slope goes like that. Slope goes inward. And stick them right in the corners. Perfect.
Now I'm getting the hang of this. That's me.
And you don't have to go very super fast because
Ooh.
yeah, if we go too fast, we may not flip it over. Smooth is fast and fast is smooth. Okay, I don't know why we have a leftover piece. Spaghetti.
5 minutes later.
Okay, so it functions. I don't know where that extra piece came from. I don't know what happened, but that's okay. Now we're gonna move on to our toast. And these are the pieces you will need for your toast. All right, let's get started, Oliver. Let's go. We have 2 different kinds because we like different toast in this house. If you want to eat the light brown one, the brown one is kind of like your wheat toast, and the cream one looks like white toast. It's up to you which one you want to eat or make. So we had to improvise. That's okay.
Yep.
Do you know what improvise means, Oliver?
Nope.
Oh. It means that you try something new. You built something on the fly. We still have our other piece of toast.
Yeah.
Want to build that?
Remember. And there you have it, folks. This, the toaster and bread is completed. Bye. If you want to see more of our channels, press the subscribe button and press the notification bell and leave a like.
leave a like. Make sure you subscribe so you will get notifications when we do post a video. And thanks for watching.
And tell your friends about it too.
Yes, tell your friends, family, neighbor, anybody that's willing to listen.
Yeah, it's a wall.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.